What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to jailbreak the new iOS 11.4. As you can see, I do not have Cydia. I'm not jailbroken. And what you do is simply you go to this address over here, pangu11.mobi, on your iOS device. So you start Safari and head over to pangu11.mobi. And they will give you an explanation of how this works. And they will tell you that you can't install Cydia on a device that has not been jailbroken, because Apple has not approved that app. But you can, of course, install apps that Apple has approved. So the Pangu team found a smart way to simply hide Cydia and the jailbreak inside approved applications. So the result is that you get an app that looks approved and you can install it. It doesn't just look approved, it is approved. But it has the jailbreak and Cydia inside of it. So when you start that app, then you also start the jailbreak and Cydia in the background. So head over to pangu11.mobi and scroll to the bottom. And click on this little icon here at the bottom to get to the free injected app store. Now, all of these apps are, of course, 100% free. There are no surveys and there's no stupid human verification. All those fake jailbreaks with human verification, yeah, they're fake. Jailbreaks are direct. There are no stupid human verification or stupid stuff like that. You don't need to do a survey. If you need to do a survey or do a human verification, then it's fake. It's not a jailbreak. Anyway, right here, you click on this link here to get to a free Cydia and jailbreak injected app. As I said, all jailbreaks are free and direct. No hidden requirements, no payments, no need to do silly stuff. All those are just fakes. So you just click on the link there and get a free jailbreak injected app. And now when you open this app, right now the jailbreak and Cydia is being installed in the background. So that's why you need to keep the app running for about 30 seconds. It shouldn't take more than 30 seconds. So I'm guessing the jailbreak has done its part right now. So right now we are going to restart our device to finish off the jailbreak, or to finish the installation. Sometimes when you click the link to get a free jailbreak injected app, sometimes you get taken to crappy ad sites for some stupid reason. It's actually quite annoying, and I'm actually a bit surprised that I got the jailbreak injected app right away. But when you click that link, if you don't come directly to an app, simply go back and click the link again. Either you get a free jailbreak injected app straight away, or you don't get a jailbreak, you get something else. So don't do that. Just click the link, get an app, install it, and I don't know if you can see it, but there's a Pangu symbol in the background. So it looks like the jailbreak worked. So it's just preparing the file systems and finishing up installing and such. Now sometimes these apps get patched. So sometimes you need to try a few times before you get it to work. Most of the time it works right away, like it did here for me. As you can see, I now have Cydia and I'm jailbroken on iOS 11.4. Again, all of these jailbreak injected apps are 100% free and there's no human verification. And if you don't get to an app when you click the link, we'll simply go back and try again. And if you get an app and you run it for 30 seconds and then you restart your device and you're not jailbroken when your device is restarted, then it means that that app has been patched. And that app will soon be removed and replaced with a new, freshly injected and working app. So sometimes you need to try it a few times. Most of the time it works right away, like this time. So anyway, that's how easy it is to jailbreak the new iOS 11.4. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.